Hi, this is Andrea from Corvina Tech Support, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to activate your device in the Corvina platform. So let's start by going to our Corvina instance domain. We log in. In this case, my credentials were already filled in. When you get inside, you choose the organization you belong to, and then you will have this first home page with the dashboards. In order to activate the device, we need to go in Devices and then Activate. This is the page that will be used to fill the first information that are needed for the device to be added inside Corvina. So we simply start with the device label, and let's say that we choose to name this device as test device video. Then latitude and longitude. So Corvina asks you to fill the latitude and longitude for the device, where the device will be located. So we are here in Verona, San Giovanni Lupatoto. We simply click on the map here on the right, and automatically the latitude and longitude will be filled in. Then we need the activation code. We fill the activation code that we received along with our extra device, and then with a short description. That's device for video snippets. After that, we are ready to activate the device. So in case we want to activate only the VPN service, we click on Activate VPN Only, and this will be starting the activation process. So now the device is added into our platform. So we can see here in the list of devices, we have our gateway, along with some status, which is, of course, now it is disconnected, and it is enabled. So our activation license, it is valid until 2027. And this is everything that is needed for us to add a device inside Corvina, nothing more.